Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 2. Okay. Now solve the questions. Question number 1. Cos inverse. Cos 13 pi by 6. And number 2 is tan inverse tan 7 pi by 6. Cos inverse cos 13 pi by 6 means cos inverse. We can write cos 2 pi plus pi by 6. Because the value lies between 0 to pi. X means angle pi by 6 belongs to 0 to pi. Therefore, we have to convert. Now, cos inverse cos pi by 6. The answer is pi by 6. Tan inverse tan 7 pi by 6. We can write tan inverse tan pi plus pi by 6. The value lies between pi by 6 lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. The tan inverse lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, tan inverse tan pi by 6. Tan pi plus theta equal to tan theta. Therefore, the answer is pi by 6. Now, the question number 3. Question number 3 is 3 sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to tan inverse 24 by 7. Prove that this one. 2 sin inverse x 3 by 1. Let sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to x. It means sin x equal to 3 by 5. Now we can find cos x. The formula of cos x is under root 1 minus sin square x. We will get cos x equal to 4 by 5. Now tan x, sin x by cos x. Sin x divided by cos x. The tan x equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Now we can write here x equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. If tan x equal to 3 by 4 means x equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Now put this one is 2x. It means 2 tan inverse x means tan inverse 3 by 4. The formula of 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan 2x. The formula of tan inverse 2x equal to 2x upon 1 minus x square. 2 tan inverse 3 by 4. It means 2 tan inverse x formula is tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus tan square x. The formula of tan inverse 2 tan inverse x. Formula of 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Now solve it. 3 by 2 and 9 by 16. 16 minus 7 by 16 minus 7 by 16. Now solve. Tan inverse 3 by 2 into 16 by 7. You will get 24 by 7. Tan inverse 24 by 7. This is the RHS. First of all, find sin x, then cos x, then tan x, and put the value of x here. The question number 4, sin inverse 8 by 17 plus sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to tan inverse 77 by 36. Let sin inverse 8 by 17 equal to x. It means sin x equal to 8 by 17. Now find cos x. Cos x equal to under root 1 minus sin square x. It means under root 1 minus 8 by 17 whole square. Okay. This will be 15 by 17. Next 10x. 10x equal to sin x divided by cos x. It means 8 by 15. Now same. Sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to y. Now the sin y equal to 3 by 5 and cos y equal to under root 1 minus sin square y. It means 4 by 5. 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square, you will get 4 by 5. Then 10y equal to sin y upon cos y means 3 by 4. Now put the value of this one is x and y. X plus y. Okay. Now solve 10 x plus y. 10 x plus y equal to 10x plus 10y upon 1 minus 10x into 10y. 10x is 8 by 15 plus 3 by 4. 1 minus 8 by 15 into 3 by 4. Solve. Take 60 LCM. 15 4 ja 4 8 32 plus 45. 15 4 60. 60 minus 24 by 60. Cancel this. Add 77 by 36. 10x plus y equal to 77 by 36. It means x plus y equal to 10 inverse 77 by 36. And x equal to sin inverse 8 by 17. And y equal to sin inverse 3 by 5. Equal to 10 inverse 77 by 36. Hence proved. पहले 10x plus y वैल्यू निकाले हैं, उसके बाद x वैल्यू पुट. Now question number 5. The question of 5 is cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. Same cos inverse 4 by 5 equal to theta. Now the cos theta equal to 4 by 5 and sin theta equal to under root 1 minus cos square theta. It means 1 under root 1 minus 4 by 5 square. 25 minus 16 3 by 5. Same second one is cos inverse 12 by 13 equal to suppose phi. Then cos phi equal to and sin phi under root 1 minus cos square phi, it means 1 minus 12 by 13. This will be 5 by 13. Okay. Here is the cos inverse. Therefore, we have to take the identity cos theta plus phi equal to cos theta into cos phi into minus sin theta into sin phi. Okay. So now cos theta by cos theta equal to 4 by 5. Cos phi is 5 by 12 by 13 minus sin theta into sin phi. 48 minus 65, 15 by 65. It means 33 by 65. 33 by 65. cos theta plus phi equal to 33 by 65. It means theta plus phi equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. Theta equal to cos inverse 4 by 5 and phi equal to cos inverse 12 by 13 equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. Hence proved. Next question. The question number 6 is cos inverse 12 by 13 plus sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to sin inverse 56 by 65. First let cos inverse 12 by 13. Suppose this is a angle A. It means cos A equal to 12 by 13. Now find sin A by using the formula under root 1 minus cos square A. Then you will get 5 by 13. Same sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to angle B. Sin B equal to 3 by 5. Then cos B equal to 1 minus 3 by 5. It means 4 by 5. Sin A, cos A, sin B, cos B. Now the formula we will use sin inverse. It means sin A plus B. The formula we will use for sin. Because the RHS sin is in the RHS. The formula is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Put the values. Sin A. Sin A is 5 by 13. Cos B 4 by 5 plus cos A 12 by 13 and sin B 3 by 5. Now solve. 5 over 20 plus 12 is 36 by 65. It means 56 by 65. So we can write A plus B equal to sin inverse 56 by 65. Now A equal to, put the value of A and B. A equal to cos inverse 12 by 13 and cos B equal to sin inverse 3 by 5. Now equal to sin inverse 56 by 65. Proved. Solve this one. Tan inverse 6 by 7 and 8. We will get tan inverse 325 by 325. You will solve. You will get tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 means tan inverse 10 pi by 4. It means the answer is pi by 4. Hence proved. Question number 9. Prove that tan inverse root x equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x and so on. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12. In this question, let tan inverse root x equal to theta. It means root x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan square theta. X equal to tan square theta. Okay. Now put the value of x in this. 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. 1 by 2 cos inverse, this is the formula of cos 2 theta. 1 by 2 into 2 theta. 2 cancel. You will get theta. theta equal to tan inverse root x. Just let this one theta and put the value of in this. Next question number 10. Cot inverse x equal to under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x by under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x. Prove that it is equal to x by 2. Okay. Now take 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x. You can write the 1 equal to cos square sin square x plus cos square x. Using the identity cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 equal to 1. And sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. This is a square of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. By the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. And next 1 minus sin x. Same. You can write cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. It means this is a whole square of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay. Now put these values in this question. Then you will get cot inverse under root this one. 3 under root this one is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. If it is whole square and find under root. And plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. And denominator same, under root cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square minus under root cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. It means the square root and square cancel. You will get cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 plus sin minus sin x by 2 and subtract cos x by 2 plus sin minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Cancel sin x by 2 minus sin x by 2 and cos x by 2 minus that. So you will get cot inverse 2 cos x by 2 2 times cos x by 2 and 2 times sin x by 2. 2 cancel. It means cot inverse cot x by 2. It means x by 2. Hence proved. We have to prove in RHS x by 2. Question number 11. Question number 11 is tan inverse under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x by under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Okay. Now put x equal to cos 2 theta. X equal to cos 2 theta. It means theta equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. 2 theta equal to cos inverse x, theta equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Now put in LHS. Tan inverse under root 1 plus cos x means 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta plus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay. By using the identity, 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to under root 2 cos square theta. Okay, cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So using this identity, cos 2 theta equal to cos 2 theta plus 1 equal to 2 cos square theta minus, and 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to under root 2 sin square theta. And again same. Okay, now take root 2 common, the above plus. Take root 2 common, cos root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta by root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. Okay. Now dividing by root 2 cos 2 theta. Root 2 cos 2 theta divide by, here we get 1 minus root 2 sin theta divided by root 2 cos theta. It means whole 1 divided by root 2 cos theta, and this one also, numerator and denominator both divided by root 2 cos theta. 1 plus root 2 sin theta by root 2 cos theta. Here root 2 by 1 minus this, and get tan inverse 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Okay. Now convert into that 1 equal to tan pi by 4 minus tan pi by 4 equal to 1. Tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. This is a formula of, which one is the identity, is tan pi by 4 minus theta. Tan x minus tan y, 1 plus tan x tan y. This is the formula of tan x minus y. Now pi by 4 minus theta, and pi by 4 theta equal to minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. This is the RHS. Okay. Now question number 12. Question number 12 is 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 equal to 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Now take LHS and take 9 by 4 common. We will get pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3. Here is the identity, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So now sin inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse 1 by 3 equal to pi by 2. The pi by 2 minus this equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. 9 by 4 cos inverse 1 by 3. Okay. Take cos inverse 1 by 3 equal to theta. It means cos theta equal to 1 by 3. And take sin theta. Sin theta equal to under root 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square. 9 minus 1, 8. Under root 8 by 3. It means 2 root 2 by 3. It means theta equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Now convert 9 by 4. Cos inverse is equal to theta. And we can write 9 by 4 theta equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. This is the RHS. 9 by 4 sin inverse this. Okay. Question number 13. Question number 13. Solve the following equations. 2 tan inverse cos x equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. And the second one is tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse cos x equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Formula is 2 tan x. 2 tan inverse x equal to 2x tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. This is the formula of 2 tan inverse x. This. Now put x equal to cos x. It means tan inverse 2x 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x. Using this formula. X equal to cos x. And here tan inverse x equal to 2 upon sin x. 2 cosec x means 2 upon sin x. Both side tan inverse, it means 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x equal to 2 sin x. Okay. Now solve. 2 cancel. 1 minus cos square x equal to sin x cos x. 1 minus cos square x equal to sin square x. Sin x into cos x. Sin x cancel. Divide by cos x. Sin x upon cos x equal to 1. Tan x equal to 1 equal to tan pi by 4. It means x equal to pi by 4. Okay. Next one. The next one is tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Now put x equal to tan theta. It means theta equal to tan inverse x. Now put tan inverse 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. And 1 by 2 tan inverse x equal to theta. Okay. Now put solve tan inverse. Same 1 equal to tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta equal to theta by 2. It means tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta. This is the formula of tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A. Tan B means tan A minus B equal to theta by 2. This equal to pi by 4 minus theta. Pi by 4 minus theta equal to theta by 2. Okay. Now solve. Theta plus theta by 2 equal to pi by 4. Now solve 3 theta by 2 equal to pi by 4. Now cancel 2. Theta equal to pi by 6. Theta equal to pi by 6. This is the solution of the given question. Question number 15. Choose the correct options. Okay. Sin tan inverse x is equal to. So first we have to solve the question, then we can find the answers of the following questions 15, 16 and 17. Sin tan inverse x. Let tan inverse x equal to theta. It means this is the sin theta. Okay. Now sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta. 1 upon cosec theta. 1 upon cosec theta means under root 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, x equal to tan theta. 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon tan square theta. It means 1 upon under root 1 plus 1 upon x square. Now solve. X square 1 upon under root x square plus 1 by x square. It means this is under root x upon under root x square plus 1. The right answer is x upon under root 1 x square plus 1. Which option is right? D. X upon under root 1 plus x square. Similarly, in question number 16. Sin inverse 1 minus 2. Let sin inverse x equal to theta. It means x equal to sin theta. Now put in this equation sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 theta equal to pi by 2. Next, sin inverse 1 minus x equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Okay. Now 1 minus x equal to sin pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Sin 90 plus 2 theta equal to cos 2 theta. 1 minus x equal to cos 2 theta. As cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. It means 1 minus x equal to 1 minus 2 x square. Sin theta equal to x. Now 1 cancel, minus cancel. 2x square minus x equal to 0. Take common x. 2x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 0 or x equal to 1 by 2. These are the two answers. The answer equation is not true for 1 by 2. Therefore, the answer is x equal to 0. Last question is tan inverse x upon y minus tan inverse x minus y upon x equal to. It means the formula using tan inverse x minus tan inverse y means tan inverse x upon y minus x minus y upon x plus y divided by 1 plus x upon y into x minus y upon x plus y. Now solve and you will get the tan inverse x equal to x square plus y square. You will get x square plus y square upon x square plus y square. Okay. Now this is the one tan inverse 1 and tan inverse tan pi by 4. The answer is pi by 4. The value of this question is pi by 4.